Babbu's Build Lab. Sneak, sneak. Let's take a peek. Build Bazaar.
Hello little explorers. Welcome back to my Build Lab. Today, we are going to find a lot of new ways to test and build your ideas.
Sneak, sneak. Let's take a peek.
Careful, Babbu, this is very hot.
Hi, Dinesh sir.
Hi, Tara.
What are you doing?
Well, I'm gluing these pieces together to finish my model.
Can I try?
Sure. But you only have to use this tool when you're with an adult.
Hi Dinesh sir.
Hello.
Dinesh sir, how did you make these pieces?
I made this with a 3D printer.
What's a 3D printer?
Well, it makes 3D objects from digital designs through additive building.
Digital designs?
Are the additive 3D object? What are you even seeing?
I think we need to step out to help you understand.
Oh yes,
okay.
yes.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
It would be fun. Yes.
Welcome to T-Works. This is where lots of people with big ideas come to design, build and test their ideas.
This is like a giant Build Bazaar.
Before we go in, I want you all to understand that making something is done by adding things together, which is additive.
Oh yes, additive.
Yes, Babbu. Or by removing things, which is subtractive.
Subtractive?
Yes. Let's try and understand what's happening in these build shops.
Yay! 3D printing shop. How are all these made?
So this is a dais, this is a staircase, you can see. These are all made in a 3D printer.
Whoa, it's building by itself. It's like magic.
No.
Yeah.
This is a 3D printer. We give the design to the computer and choose a material and it makes it like this, layer by layer.
Definitely, it's additive.
Yes.
Textile shop.
These lines make a pattern.
What are these lines?
So, these threads will weave into developing a fabric.
Fabric is made out of threads. So, does that mean this is additive?
Yes, you're right.
Wow, it looks like me. Electrical shop.
Oh, it looks like a city. Look, these are like roads.
These look like buildings. This is my garden. Pottery shop. Oh, wow, it's dancing. So, does this clay become into a pot?
Yes.
Oh, that's so cool.
With hands and practice,
Yeah.
we shape clay into something new.
I love the color. It's turning faster.
Wait, so we added clay. Does that make it additive?
It's actually both additive and subtractive because we're also removing clay to get the shape that we want.
Wood shop. This has to be subtractive.
Yes!
Laser cutting shop.
Is this the laser printing area?
Wow. Wow. Is this like subtracting?
Yeah.
Puppetoli!
Yeah. Cut it, shape it, spin it round. Make new things from what you have found. Hands or tools, big or small. Make us build the world for all.
Yes! And they use science, creativity, and skill to do it.
So, are we all makers?
Of course! Little explorers out there. Today we learned that people make things in many ways. Different materials need different tools. Science and creativity work together.
Oh, wait. Don't go yet. There's more to explore, more to try, and more questions to answer. Tap subscribe and sneak. Let's take a peek.